Hello, this is Edward Fox. Right now, I'm about to. Again, I'm Edward Fox. I own a digital marketing and advertising agency. We serve personal injury attorneys to help them basically get more cases. But the way we go about getting more cases is to move your advertising online. So, when I say move your advertising online, I want you to witness this. I'm on Google, right? Let's say I'm going to go to Google. Google is the top search engine in the world, followed by YouTube, and there's basically two things I can show you real quick. I'm gonna type in personal injury attorney. Hope y'all are having a good day when you're watching this. So, alrighty. So again, I want you to know I just did this same search a few minutes ago, or about a minute ago, but I decided I want to record this so people can see how this works. So the KPA attorney, this came up first both times, and I can show you a screenshot. I really can. Jama Casino, he came second the second time, and second and first time. But this right here, hlfranklin.com, H Lehman Franklin PC, this is new. I want you to know that this is done dynamically. When I say dynamically, I mean every time a person searches for a personal injury attorney. Hey, Mr. Don, I'm doing good. How about you? I'm talking to my neighbor, Mr. Don. But yes, so every time a person goes on Google, whether they're in different parts of a city, whether they have different browsing history with their phone browser, maybe Google Chrome or another browser, every person, every cell phone is going to get a different result when they search something online. And the way you have more control of a person seeing your result is about how much information you give these search engines. Google is the best search engine in my opinion. They do take a lot of information on their users, which can be very intrusive, but they do that to provide so much valuable information to a person when they're looking for it. So I searched personal injury attorney, and again, like I said, this business came up first both times. This is an ad. It says right here, this is an ad. If you want to get your business on the top, you have to give Google the correct information. So what they did was they have this link that we can click to go to their website. We're going to check out this landing page because if it's a bad landing page, I'll let you know. But if it's a good one, I'll let you know. So we have their number. We fight for the rights of innocent victims and families. Personal injury, slip and fall accident. So I want you to know these are what's called extensions. These are extensions. So this is an address. This is location extension. Hold up. I'm going to show you this. Location. Location extension. So, okay. Location extensions. Let's go. Boom. Booyah. So I just want to let y'all know that the stuff that's happening online, it's not exactly hard to do or hard to understand. Um, what you want to do is you want to have a resource available. I mean, of course, the internet is a great resource, but sometimes you want to bring in a consultant or a business like my own. I work as a consultant, and I have my business do the work that I consult on. So this is about location extensions. This right here, 100 Bull Street, Suite 200, that's a location extension. These two results, these two ads are not using location extensions. And then you also want to be concerned with this right here. These are the organic results. So these show you like based on these businesses being in a certain area, they're all close to where I live, basically. I live in more of this area, but they're kind of close. Just a few miles away. But this uses a location extension. They're downtown. They're further away, but their ad is coming at the top because they're giving more information. And also they're providing multiple links for me to click on as well. So just want you to know that. But yeah, these are more organic. But this right here is an ad. The same ad right here. So you want to definitely dominate in these areas. But one thing you need to know is that Google is they're gonna charge you a lot per click. So that's why you need to have convincing information so that when a person comes to your website or when they call you, they want to work with you. I'm not gonna click this just yet because it's probably gonna charge this business like a couple $100 for me to click. And that's before they ever get a result. Like, I don't have a personal injury claim right now, but I want to show you how this works. So they're using a location extension. I want to show you what this is about. This is Google Ads Help. So there's different types of ads you can run, but I want you to know when to use location extensions. Encourage people to visit your business. Here's a search network example. Clara, a bakery owner, wants to draw foot traffic to her storefront. She adds a location extension to her campaign. Now when people search on mobile for one of her keywords, best bakery nearby or fresh bread, her extension is eligible to show and may give bread lovers the distance to her location and its city. Right here, it's not giving the distance, but it's showing the address, the city, all of that. Then her location, street address. That's it right here. This is on a computer. I'm on a computer, so you see the street address. So it says if I was on mobile, it's gonna show me the distance to that office. Another thing about it, around half of the searches done online are on mobile, like on a cell phone or on a tablet. So that's necessary. You need to have that. It says a clickable call button. We don't have that on here because this is a computer, but we do see the number. We see the number on all of these, but this result gives more information because they're using a location extension, and these are more links. That's another extension. So a tappable or clickable access to details page for her location, which information such as hours, phone number, photos, and directions. So I'm gonna click this, open a new tab. What does this do? Google Ad Services. This is an ad. I want y'all to know that. Hope y'all hearing me well. I'm actually outside in the backyard, just relaxing. You know, this quarantine is going on. A lot of people are stuck at home. It's actually the best time to run advertisements on the internet. So, yeah. Okay, so yeah, like it said on the Google Ads help, a tappable or clickable access to a detail page for her location with information such as hours, phone number, photos, and directions. I click that, open a new tab. Now we have this. Law offices of Canner and Pentaluga. Okay, have the location. Have more location information. We have the website. Have the phone number. We have the hours of operation. We have another website. Open booking link. Manage this listing. Hold on, let me see. Okay. So is that unverified? What? Oh, okay. Oh yeah, so they verified over it already. I believe so. But yeah, so everything that is said on Google, their ads help, Google Ads help. I want you to know that what I'm telling you is legit. This stuff lines up. So you can go here to learn more about how to create location extensions on display ads. So where they show, this is basically what I'm showing you right here. Right here. So this in action. Well, this is an example where they show Google Search Network. So this is real life. I just searched this in front of you, and now you see they're using location extension. But I'm showing you all this to let you know that you need to be providing Google with more information to show your potential clients. So now I'm going to click this. Let's see. They came up at the top. Let's do it. Let's see Google Ad Services. Let's see if this is a good landing page. The birds are really out here right now. Okay, I can say this. It's loaded kind of slow. Kind of slow. Um, hmm. Um, I apologize for how slow this website is. These birds are chirping. I'm recording a video. Can y'all stop, please? Wait 5 minutes. They're not listening. So okay, this is an okay landing page. The call, like, we're here to help 24/7. It's over here, basically top left. I would want it to be top right. Please put your call to action top right hand side of the video of the website. Top right hand. This should go on the top right hand side. And this number just changed. Wow. Okay, and then there's a chat button. There's chat. Please have chat. Please have chat. Please, thank you. Have chat on your website. If you don't, you're falling behind because this lets someone talk to you before they get on the phone. It's weird, but a lot of people don't like to get on phones. Some people don't like, you know, some people don't like human contact sometimes. All right, no, I don't want. Okay, no, Alicia, I don't want to talk right now. Thank you. That's an example. But yes, this is the landing page. After you click on this ad, this is the landing page. I clicked this, came here, KPA attorney, or KP attorney. We're here to help 24/7. In your call to action, move it to the right hand side. I know that's something for your web developer to do, but it's necessary. Please do it. Over $500 million in recovered settlements for our clients. Here's a car accident. Okay, auto accidents. Auto accident attorneys in Georgia. I will say this. This is what's called above the fold. As soon as we open this, well, I mean, it took a long time for this to load, but this is at the top. We don't even see anyone asking for our information. We have to scroll down before we see this. Don't make this mistake. Do not make this mistake at all. You want to get there. Man, there's a lot of businesses doing this stuff wrong. But I'm showing you how to do it better. This is in web development. This is what we call. It's crazy to see that all this space, the whole screen. Let me do this. The whole screen is taken up before you ask me for my information. The whole screen is taken up before you ask me for my information. The whole screen. All this is a 13-inch screen right now, and the whole screen is taken up before you ask me for my information. So don't make that mistake. Again, two things I want to tell you. Move the call to action, like your phone number, like call us now, call now to book an appointment, book a consultation. You want to have that on the top right hand side of your website. That's for your web developer, and this right here is for your web developer as well. Move this to the middle, somewhere where people can see it right when they get on the page. As soon as they get on the page, this is cool. This is like an article basically. I would suggest having a video. Let's have a video. Let's you introduce yourself to the person that's on your webpage, please. So again, have your call to action on the top right hand side of your website. Do not take up too much space with a picture. You need to be straight to the point. Hey, like this is a landing page. It's supposed to be a landing page. Like we're supposed to be. For me, I'm supposed to be giving you my information, and you're supposed to be getting my name, email address, and phone number, so y'all can. I don't know how many people are going to fill this out, but they want you to follow up with them. Please follow them. Please get a free case evaluation. Also want to change some of your colors to this, because what does yellow mean? When you're driving on the street, or this is gold. What does yellow or gold mean? Gold is good, but yellow when you're driving, it means slow down. You want to test the colors of the buttons that you're using to see which one is going to convert better. If yellow is getting you maybe 2 leads a day or 3 leads a day, that's 2 or 3 leads a day is the difference between 60 leads a month or 90 leads a month. Let's say if you test and see how many leads a green button would get you. If you start getting 4 or 5 leads a day, oh my gosh. So just 1 more lead a day from a different color button, or 2 leads a day from a different color button. 3 leads a day from a yellow button is 90 leads a month. But if you go to green, let's say you get 4 leads a day. Now that's 120 leads a month. That's 30 more leads you can follow up with and close. That could be thousands and thousands or even millions more dollars a year that your firm can make. These are real things I want you to look at and take more care about. So again, I want to reiterate this again. Please have your call to action the top right hand side of your website. Please do that. Then another thing, do not take up more than enough space on your landing page for a picture like this. Again, this is what's called above the fold. Above the fold, that's the term. Like, you don't have to scroll to see this, but now you have to actually scroll to see where you put in your information. This is below the fold. This information it shouldn't be this low. It shouldn't be below the fold. You want to see this in this area. You want to see this like above the fold. Please get your potential clients information. So, all right, cool. I'm done with that. I want you to know that this use location extension. You want to use as many extensions as possible with your Google advertisements, because Google, they can send you a lot of leads. They really could. They could send you a lot of leads. And then another thing about it, how the Google algorithm works. You have to pay to play. It's KP Attorney. They might even be very new. I'm gonna reach out to them and talk to them because they might be very new. They have 8 reviews. The Icos law firm is a law firm I've been seeing on TV since I was a child. I'm 24 now. They have 193 reviews, 193 stars on Google. This is for this location, 193. But they're coming under the law office of Cantor and Pentaluga, because they're running ads. So now, Jamie Casino, I actually heard he was lying about his reviews. I heard that from another local personal injury attorney. That personal injury attorney has over 100 reviews, and he's actually been in business a while for him to get that. But this, like the guy, that personal injury attorney says Jamie Casino has not had this many cases for him to have 342 Google reviews. But it is what it is, and people do what they do. I mean, me and the other guy, we can't control that. Google allows him to do this. But look at this. This is an ad. It's at the top. They gave enough information to be at the top. So now we look right here when we go to more organic. We see this one's at the top again. They have 8 reviews. These people, this Icos law firm has 193 reviews. Jamie Casino has 342 reviews. Owens and Mohammed has 57 reviews. But the law offices of Cantor and Pentaluga have 8 reviews, and they're at the top because they have an ad. And then another thing about it, you want to have articles, content that brings you to the first page of Google. First page, who'sexpertise.com. It must be a reputable website because they use a bunch of keywords that gets them to show up. And these are a bunch of tools I do for search engine optimization and search engine marketing. That's basically the whole get on the first page of Google stuff. But this stuff tells me about the rank for these different websites. Yeah. So, okay. Attorneys.superlawyers.com. Okay. They probably get referrals from people coming to this website and getting lawyers to work with them. And then here's Roden Law. They're on first page. They're number 3, but they're coming after these content creating websites. I'm gonna click this expertise.com. All right, best personal injury attorneys. Okay. We looked at all 111 personal injury attorneys serving Savannah and picked the top 20. So, okay. This is cool. It's an article. Here are the top picks. Oh, the Brown firm. I like them. I want to get them as clients. Don't want to chat. But it says, I need an expert. Let's see what that does. Please describe your issue so we can find the best expert. This is a bot. This says bot. You need to have things like this on your website. Trust me. Okay. Well, let's say this. This company, this website says these are the top 20 but I only see this one on Google right now. I'm still on the first page of Google. Oh, the Eichels law firm. Oh yeah, I don't. Well, I don't see the Dozier law firm. Well, I see none, none, none of these firms on Google right now. Of course, you could press view more locations, but do you think people are really going to be searching like all the way through all of the different personal injury attorneys? They're looking on the first page of Google. You want to be top of mind. You want to be the first that comes to people's mind when they're searching, and the first that comes to people's minds when they're thinking about their needs. So that's where branding um, comes into play, and how much you're advertising, how much you're willing to spend to get in front of your potential clients. So here's Roden Law. They're number 3 on organic articles. And there's Butler Wooten Peak. That's a long name. And then here's For the People. Sink Law, Farrah and Farrah. Harry Brown Law. Okay, great. Harry Brown. He's right here. The Brown firm. Cool guy. I like him. I want to get him as a client. So, okay. They've answered some questions. Okay. This is good. This is good. You want to provide information to Google in a way that your article can do this. Farrah and Farrah does it too. Yes, this is good. This is good. The other articles, other results are not doing as much. You want to provide Google with as much information as possible. Jamie Casino, the Justice Lawyer, Eichels Law Firm. Okay, Spiva Law. That guy actually taught me karate as a teenager. Harold Spiva, I believe his name is. Justice. So yeah, you want to give Google as much information as possible. I actually have it to where 100 different results are going to show up on my page, but for another person that's looking on their website, on their Google or their iPhone, where mobile or desktop, they're not going to see all of this. So you remember that. Please remember that. So now let's go to YouTube. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, and YouTube is owned by Google. So people can run ads on Google through. People can run ads on YouTube through Google's ad platform. So I'm going to look up personal injury attorneys again. Alrighty, personal injury attorney. All right. So again, these are some tools that I use on my computer to let me know some great things that I'm looking for. Okay. These are the most used tags on videos. Top ranking videos: personal injury lawyer, personal injury, and then lawyer. That's not specific at all. Then the related searches: personal injury attorney commercial, personal injury attorneys Johannesburg, personal injury attorneys Mesa, Arizona, or Mesa. Then there's keyword score. I'm not showing that right now. The top channel is JC Helps, a photo injury law firm. They're putting out a lot of content. This video is from 3 years ago. It has 28,000 views and is ranking at the top. And this video has 120,000 views, but it comes up, it came out a year ago. This one has 29,000 views and it came out 6 years ago. So I want you to know that on YouTube, or basically online period, personal injury attorneys are not taking the great opportunity to get in front of your potential clients. So YouTube, again, like I said, is the second largest search engine in the world. I know on my phone it can show me some ads to show like, hey, you just looked up this personal injury thing. So now they're going to show you ads that I can click on and call to speak with a personal injury attorney. but it seems like it doesn't do that on desktop. But I want you to know that you need to be putting out video content. Not only do you need to put out articles, but you need to put out video content for every article. You need to be putting out videos with examples from different cases that you've been in to help your clients. So it says right here again, insights for personal injury attorney. There's a tool I use called Keywords Everywhere, and this is TubeBuddy, and just different tools you and your people at your business can have on your marketing team to let you know what you can do better to get more clients. So the top channel again is Jay-Z Helps, a Florida injury law firm. That's them, Jay-Z Helps, a Florida injury law firm. I'm gonna click this, see what comes up. Open a new tab. All right, maximum views 1.1 million. Wouldn't you like for your videos to have 1.1 million views? It's good. Average views 73.6 thousand views. The average age of a video is 3 years. Average keywords in the title 6 out of 20. Added in the last 7 days 0. So none of these videos from personal injury attorneys were added in the last 7 days. That's an opportunity that you're missing. So, yep. So Jay-Z Helps, a Florida injury law firm. No, no. You want to have a channel like this where people can come and learn as much as they can from you. This is a YouTube banner. These are easy to make. Get a graphic designer to do it. I'll have someone on my team do it for you. Okay, 10K settlement, herniated disc, and neck. Okay, Geico, 260K settlement, Uber accident, 130K settlement, shoulder injury, 20K settlement, roller crash, progressive settlements. This guy's putting out a lot of content. This is a year ago. You want to do this for, for your firm. They're showing off their clients and basically how much they made. So this is helpful information for anyone that wants to work with you. And then this firm has been consistent as well. 5 mistakes that kill settlement value. 85,000 views. 10 great questions insurance adjusters don't want you to 90,000 views. 90,000. Then how many videos have y'all had? 4,800 subscribers. I want to see last time you put out a video was a year ago. Slip and fall settlement. The fact of the matter is, you need to be putting out content all over the internet, all over every social channel, everywhere your potential clients are. And again, I'm gonna look up YouTube statistics. I want y'all to see the facts. YouTube has like 1 billion people, 1 billion people looking at YouTube every day. Typing with one hand. Hope this is very helpful to y'all. Okay, yep, press, YouTube. YouTube for press, quickly find the stats and videos you're looking for, along with guidelines for crediting and broadcasting them. Alright. YouTube by numbers, 2+ billion users, and this is around the world. So I don't want you to ever think that this internet stuff isn't going to help your firm make any money. I mean, because I don't know if you thought that or another law firm person thought that. Like, okay, YouTube by the numbers. Reading this again. YouTube by the numbers, 2+ billion users. That's how many users YouTube has, meaning almost 1/3 of the internet. Okay, 18 to 34-year-olds are watching. YouTube on mobile alone reaches more people in this U.S. audience than any TV network. Makes sense. Over 100 countries in 80 languages. YouTube is localized in over 100 countries, can be accessed in 80 different languages. It's Google we're talking about, man. 1 billion hours watched daily. This is the number of hours of video viewed on YouTube every day, generating billions of views. Again, 2+ billion users. So, yeah. I want you guys to understand that, man, the first video on YouTube, April 25th, 2005. So YouTube has been around for a long time, almost 15 years now. Today is April 18th, 2020. So yeah. Yeah. Definitely use YouTube to advertise, create video content. Um, Man, just I want you to get in the game. I'll help you. My business is a digital marketing and advertising agency. I definitely want to see your business grow your personal injury firm. Let me know how I can be of more assistance to you. Send me an email. I want to answer your questions in my next videos. I'm going to be very consistent with this because I know it's. Let's tell y'all this straight up. Just very frank. My name is Edward. Okay, but I'll be very Edward about it. Someone else might say I'll be very frank, but I'll be very Edward about it. This is an untapped market. Um, Not enough personal injury attorneys are using the internet, and then this stuff costs way. Running advertisements online costs way less than running advertisements on TV or radio. There's multiple options for you. I'll love to hold your hand during the process. Well, again, thank you so much. Please take the steps that I've given you, the advice I've given you. Take notes, and give them to your team, and execute on this stuff before you reach out to me. Of course, you can write down some questions and send them to me in an email. But first, I want you to try this stuff yourself and see what happens. I want you to know before you contact me, before we start talking on the phone, before before you start asking me more questions about what I can do for you in particular. I want you to use what I teach you to make you more money, get you some more cases, so you know that what I'm telling you is proven and it works. So again, I thank you so much for watching. You have a blessed day.